This is Darshana Gauchan with your daily update for March 3rd, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Stock markets in the Asia Pacific have racked up steep losses in response to the widening fallout of the US-Israeli war on Iran. South Korea's Kospi, the best performing index this year, saw the biggest losses, plunging about 6.5% in afternoon trading. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 3%, while Australia's ASX 200 dropped about 1.5%. In China, the SSE Composite Index fell as much as 1.3%, before making up much of its losses later in the day. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.14 points or 0.03% to 425.14. Total trade volume was down, with 69,362 shares changing hands at a total value of 421 million real, or close to $105,000. On the main board, 2 stocks were up, led by Pestec Cambodia, while 3 stocks were down, with Sihanoukville Autonomous Port as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering and JS Land were down, while Picasso City Garden stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Rial weakened slightly to 4,013 Rial per US dollar, while the US dollar index hovered around 98.99. Turning to global commodities, Brent rose more than $3 on Tuesday for a third day of gains as the widening US-Israeli conflict with Iran and threats to shipping via the Strait of Hormuz heightened fears of supply disruptions. Brent crude futures were at $80.89 US dollars a barrel, up 4.1%. US West Texas Intermediate crude climbed 3.6% to $73.78 US dollars. Spot gold prices fell as a stronger dollar offset safe haven demand, driven by the escalating US-Israeli war against Iran. Spot gold was down 1.4% at $5,252.05 US dollars an ounce. US gold futures for April delivery lost 0.9% to $5,263.80 US dollars. Looking at the crypto market, Bitcoin dropped after briefly surpassing $70,000 on Monday, falling as much as 2.3% to $67,834 US dollars. Crypto markets across the board have been in the red as investors fled riskier assets, with tokens like Ether and Solana also declining. Moving on now to other business-related news. The opening ceremony of the ASEAN-Cambodia Business Summit 2026 will take place on March 4th at the Sofitel Phnom Penh Pokitra under the presidency of Prime Minister Hun Manet. The summit will be held under the theme ASEAN Transformation, Innovation, Integration, and Industrial Evolution, with the aim of highlighting the region's role as a global growth hub. The Cambodian Minister of Tourism met with the chairman of Malaysian company C. Michael International, together with a delegation of Malaysian investors on March 2nd, to discuss the organization of international tourism promotion events in Cambodia. During the meeting, the company chairman presented a project titled The Kingdom's Grand Prix and Gala, which features a series of major international tourism promotion events. The Embassy of India in Phnom Penh has announced that the government of India is offering more than 40 fully funded scholarships to Cambodian students for undergraduate, postgraduate, and doctoral studies. The scholarships are being offered through the Indian Council for Cultural Relations and covers a wide range of academic fields, including humanities, social sciences, engineering, technology, information technology, architecture, computer science, business administration, forensic science, management, agriculture, Buddhist studies, philosophy, arts and culture, including dance, music, and yoga. That's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gauchan for B2B Asia News.